breakfast for dinner. Who doesn't love breakfast for dinner? And today, not only are we having breakfast, but we're having something special, French toast. I love French toast, and I do it a special way. The beginning and the middle, it's all the same, but there's something special at the end that I add, and I'm not going to tell you now. You're just going to have to wait till the end and see what it is. So here's what we're going to need to make our French toast. A few slices of bread. Actually, if you got some stale bread that you don't want to make a sandwich because it's a little bit firm, actually, that's even better. A couple of brown eggs. Brown eggs taste better. Support a local farmer. Just a dash of salt, a dash of water. That's all we're going to need to make this. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is basically crack our eggs into the pan. Wow, you see that? Yes, I did crack those one-handed. So we're going to put a dash of salt in here. Just a splash of water. No, it's not vodka. I just like to use a small fork for here. Whisk this up real nice. So basically like you're making scrambled eggs. And now we're ready. So let's get our pan warmed up and we'll get this French toast on. Also, I'm cooking some maple sausage to go along with this. French toast and maple sausage is going to be good. So let's get to cooking. Alright, so we got the pan preheated. I got just barely enough butter to coat the bottom of the pan because I don't want this sticking. So basically what we're going to do is take our toast or bread, just a real quick dip, let it drain off, and put it in the pan. I'm going to cook 2 at a time here. Like I said, a real quick dip, drain it off, and in the pan. We know it's warm, we can hear that sizzle. Now we're only going to cook this till it's nice and just a little bit brown. I don't like it overdone, so cook this till however you like it done. Alright, I think these are good to flip. They've been on about 2 minutes. Oh, that's perfect right there. Alright, about 2 more minutes. We're going to get these off. Alright, so these are done just the way we want them. Let's get them off here onto the plate. And fix them up. Remember I said there's something special. First we're going to start out with a little butter. Use as much butter as you like. I like a pretty good amount of butter. Actually, we'll just let that melt there for a second. Get some butter on this guy. I like to make sure I've buttered the whole nice piece of French toast. Because like I said, there's something special coming here. And you need to have this buttered real good. Now a lot of people use maple syrup. Some people use powdered sugar. What I like to use, and don't get grossed out here because I've had a lot of people try it and they end up eating it my way many times afterwards. We're going to use regular pure cane sugar. Not powdered sugar. Not maple syrup. Just sprinkle your sugar on there. Those look tasty. Now let's top those off with a couple maple sausages. Look at that. Alright, and as always, there's only one thing left to do, and that's give this stuff a taste. Wow. That's excellent French toast, and I don't want to cheat the maple sausage here, so let's give this a try. Wow. The maple aroma in this house right now is amazing. Really mapley. So I hope yours turns out as good as mine. Please click that thumbs up button, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and thanks for watching.